Sun salutation is a brilliant ancient technique to stay fit with a peaceful mind and body, especially for those who can't find time for a daily workout. Constituting of 12 different postures, it is a form of expressing gratitude to the sun, the ultimate source of life on earth. Let's begin. Join your hands in front of your chest as you stand straight. Take a deep breath. Join and raise your arms above your head. Look up and slide your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe out slowly. Do not stretch your knees. Take a moment here, feeling the energy flow from the fingertips down to the heels. Breathe in, bend forward, and touch the floor with your palms. You may bend your knees to avoid excessive pressure. Now breathe out again. Keep the palms on the sides of your feet. This pose stretches the calves, strengthens the spine, and improves blood circulation in the head. Now, breathing in, stretch your right leg straight behind you. Keeping your left leg intact at a 90-degree angle, lower the body a little and look up. In the final position, support your body weight with both hands. Exhale slowly. Again, breathing in, step your left foot back in line with the right foot. Make your pose stable by inhaling and exhaling a few times. Keep your body in a straight line like a plank. Press the fingers into the ground. This will protect your wrists. Now breathe out and lower your body down to the floor. Keep your hands beside your chest with elbows pointing upwards. Rest the chin on the mat. Relax the shoulders. Breathe in, slowly straighten your arms, raise your head, and bend backwards as far as possible. Observe the release in tension in the lower back. Hold for a few seconds until it's comfortable. Now breathe out and lift your hips into the air, making a triangular shape with your body. Keep your arms straight and strong. Stay in the posture for a few breaths. This posture strengthens your back muscles. Moving on, breathe in again and step your right foot forward at 90 degrees, forming a low lunge. Lift your head up. Hold the posture for a few moments. Now breathe out and carefully bring your left foot next to the right one, and then straighten your legs. We're back in the forward bend posture. Gently draw your head to touch the knees in order to feel the stretch in your back and behind your legs. You may bend the knees a little. Now breathe in and raise your arms upward. Join your palms and look upwards. Relax for a few moments. And finally, breathe out as you bring your hands in front of your chest in the prayer position. This is the completion of one round of sun salutation.